So I'll be showing you how to force stop or force quit unresponsive apps on your Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. So if you have one of those stubborn apps that maybe are frozen in the background, you can actually force stop some of those apps by going to settings. So just swipe up and then go to settings. That should take you to this main settings page. Now here, scroll down until you get to apps, tap on that. Under apps, go to app list, tap on that, and then find an app that you want to force quit. Okay, so you can go to, maybe let's try that app. Scroll down until you see the option to force stop, tap on that, and then it's going to tell you if you force an app to stop, it may cause errors. Tap on the check mark, and that's going to force stop that application, and it's going to stop running. Thank you for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.